Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you my little experience during my hiking, and I think this is my third vlog. I did a couple of vlogs back then in grade 11, so yeah, this is my third one, and I do hope you do enjoy. Apologies if I sound a bit sleepy. It's literally past midnight. Um, don't ask me why. I have a very terrible sleeping schedule, but anyway, back to the topic. Yeah, have fun watching my little vlog with my classmates.
Hiker.
Doon ka mag-video sa taas. Oo, para i-ganyan mo. No?
Oh, ganito.
Doon sa, oo. Maya ka na mag-video doon na. Sa taas.
Good morning,
This is my
everyone.
vlog. Ganun.
Okay. This is my vlog. Ito yung kasama ko sa Hello.
Hello, my name is John Cartang and kasama ko ngayon si Nadir. And kami ngayon ay mag-hiking.
Yes. Asa ba to sa Kampana?
Yes, kampana.
Yeah. Ito, kasama ko. Pagod na.
Hindi pa, uy. Hindi pa.
Hey guys. Now we're at the middle of our hiking, and here are my classmates behind me. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, we're very high up now. And I saw like some hikers there. They have like these sticks. I think they're professional hikers.
Oh.
I think they use it when they're like tired. Yeah, it's really high up. It's a long way from here. We're currently going on our way to the Campana. Here's the view.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello, Nadir. Hello.
Hi, Nadir.
Hello.
Happy birthday yesterday.
Hi! So, we're still alive here.
Hi guys. Okay pa? Na, ano kaya?
Kaya gayon.
Manay, numanay. Sige pa rin. What ka numanay sa para hindi mag-crash mo coffee.
Hey guys, so we're currently entering the long trail on our way to Campana.
Murok.
Oh, Murok ba tayo or yeah, we're at Murok right now.
So hello guys. Magpunta na ka. Ay, mag-ano.
Victory Screech!
Ano? Sorry.
Sensor ka lang, sensor ka lang.
Nice.
So,
Hello
Carl,
guys. Oh,
what is your tips when you're doing hiking?
Oh, yung tips ko kapag maggawa tayo ng hiking is dapat kailangan natin number 1, stretching. Number 2, huwag talaga maging hyper kasi if
Yes.
alam natin parehas ganito, long trail dapat nag-save tayo ng
Energy.
lakas natin.
Yes,
And
that's right.
number 3, dapat kapag pataas, dapat hindi natin ginagamit yung bibig natin para yung hangin natin sa tiyan is hindi bigla mawala, okay?
But you're doing the opposite.
Yes. So, hindi, tinanong
I
mo
guess it's an
kasi,
exception because we're vlogging right now.
Yes.
Yeah,
In-explain ko lang, so inopen ko yung bunga ko.
yeah.
Okay.
We'll come back once we're there, guys.
Mag-akyat na sila para sa kampana. So, yun lang guys, yun ang tips and yun lang ang nalalaman ko. Tip ng karaba.
Ooh, what a cute cow.
Ganon! Babae.
I think that's what we call a tamarao. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong.
Carabao.
It's carabao. It's not a tamarao.
Ano, national
Yes.
animal.
Yes.
Di ba yun? Ay,
Hello.
Ang cute na etiquette.
Alam mo, pagkaibahan ng kan? Tama raw pati Carabao.
Ha?
Tama raw pati Carabao, pagkaiba.
Tama raw?
Oo.
Tama raw? Kung sa kaya tama raw?
Yung kaya, hala.
May hoy?
Yung parang may sungay.
Ah!
Parang bull.
Bull.
Ano ko yun?
Bull. Yung bull kasi.
Hindi, yung parang farmers ba? Ox.
Ablali parang bull, no? Ablali. Hindi, siya kasi kato. Bull. Hiking.
So, here is the life here, guys. On top of the hills. There's a lot of cows. Or in Tagalog terms. Well, in Filipino, it's called Carabao. But I'm not sure.
Nawala yun ako ko.
Oh, it's one big guy right here. Ooh.
Picturean mo ba ako kasama yan?
The nice thing here are here on the tops that it's really cold actually. There's a lot of trees.
Be careful kapag pababa na.
Hiking really made me like appreciate nature more. It's a rare opportunity actually. I'll be back once we're actually there. Right now we're still on our way to Campana. Currently we're in post 4 and this is the way to Campana. The road stopped here and it became dirt. It's not cement anymore, so we have to be very careful. I actually regret not buying that, like the stick.
Walang madigras sa amin ngayon.
The road is very slippery, so we have to be very careful.
Bingi, di ka yung Tagalog. Balas na, basta grado.
Tagalog ka na lang, Filipino.
Yes.
Tagalog!
Pwede lang man English.
Tagalog.
Mag-Bisaya ka na lang.
Ano sabi English? English na dapat ako subtitle.
Okay lang, pwede lang siya sa ano, kailang AI. Ikaw ka na.
AI girl.
Ano ba yung tawag sa river na yan?
Ha?
Ano yung tawag sa river na yan?
Ilog.
Para mo sinabing 2 plus 2 equals 4. Depende kung 3 yan. Kasi kung 3, edi 5. Siyempre! Nakakairita naman yung mga ganito. Talaga naman, ang aga-aga mo eh. Nakakainis ka eh.
Hindi. Niagara Falls.
Ha? Wala yan. River pa lang yan.
Normal river lang.
Oo, normal lang. Reminders, walang mag-upo. Para hindi mag-cram.
So we're just gonna take a short break here. Here's a little scenery. We're really deep in the forest right now. I'll be back with you guys. Finally arrived after a long journey. This journey was, it's hard, but I was able to manage. I did made a fatal mistake. I like fell in the river, as you can see. Wait. Yeah, I pretty much got my pants wet, but that's a lesson learned.
Ano ni video ka?
Ah,
Paano kay video?
okay lang. Pwede na. Vlog lang ako, tapos vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
So we finally made it. Ito na yung destination. Yeah, this is the last one. And I hope you enjoyed the little vlog and my little experience as I hiked for the first time. So I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to press the like button. I'd truly appreciate it. And yeah, this little vlog of mine has been a very wonderful experience, and I hope that I'll get to experience more in the future. So yeah, see you.